Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Spending on foreign trips nearly doubles in FY23, RBI report. UK's new immigration norms to affect overseas students' visa right to bring family dependents. Rambagh Palace bags the #1 hotel title in the World 2023 Travelers' Choice Awards by TripAdvisor. Indigo's Chandigarh-Ahmedabad plane experienced tailwinds during landing on Monday. Airlines. Travel agent dupes Gujarat couple at Delhi airport, fled with cash, passports. Saurav Ganguly named as brand ambassador of Tripura Tourism. Changes in the works to make road surety bonds lucrative. Nitin Gadkari. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.